Our greenhouse techniques are innovative in that we've taken a lot of technologies developed in the Netherlands and implemented them here in the Pacific Northwest. A lot of our greenhouse techniques have come from the Netherlands. That's where my dad is from. He came here in 1980 and took a lot of technology that was developed there and implemented it here in Blaine. I work here with 4 of my siblings and my dad as well. We're a family of 13, so there will probably be a few more working here with us. That's a cool part of our business. One of the technologies that we use here is a watering boom. A watering boom travels down a bay that's filled with flowers, and you can fertilize, treat for bugs, pump other nutrients or chemicals through the watering boom, and you can treat large areas of flowers with that. It's relatively cheap technology that we can implement into almost every house. We use automatic transplanters, flood irrigation. We have a couple houses with flood irrigation floors. How it works is it has dammed up areas that we put product down inside the dams, and we pump water through the floors underneath them so that they soak the water up, and we can fertilize and treat that way for fungus and bugs as well. In the winter here, we have long cold stretches, and usually our plants need between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So we've partnered with a manure digester because of the challenge of heating a greenhouse. When they produce the power from the gases given off by the manure, we're given heat from them to actually pump through our hot water lines. I'm Tom Van Wingerden, and we're at Van Wingerden Greenhouses in Blaine, Washington, and I am our sales manager.